Alright, what's good YouTube? It's the Anime Demon. I'm back with another video. And today I got the Chainsaw Man Chapter 96 review. So I'll be getting into that right after the intro. So Chainsaw Man Chapter 96. This is the second to the last chapter. Next chapter will be the last. And I think the way they just ended this is probably the best possible way they could have ended it after what happened last chapter. Obviously, it's a shonen, and the shonen protagonist has to win in the end. So it starts off with Makima, she was smoking, right? And then she's talking to Pochita, the chainsaw devil, which originally gave Denji his power. And then you see Denji come up and start slashing her with the chainsaws. And it actually affected her because he was using Power's blood. Power's blood power. Do what you want with that little wording. But basically, the slashes with the chainsaw actually took effect, and Denji is alive. And the last 3 or 4 pages of it is Denji literally cooked Makima and started eating her. He cooked up Makima. That's crazy. So next chapter is the last chapter. We'll see how they wrap this up in their final chapter, but this was probably the best possible way it could have ended with the way it was going. Otherwise, it would have ended in the non-shonen protagonist way where he loses in the end and Makima wins. And this is Shonen Jump, and that will never happen. So, that being said, I don't got nothing else for y'all for Chainsaw Man for this week. Next week, last chapter. If you're not getting Chainsaw Man, you're not reading it, just read through it. It's damn near done all the way. So you might as well just get to it. With that being said, this is Anime Demon. I'm out. Peace.